Take command of the road in the 2019 Volkswagen Atlas. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower. And all-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, automatic temperature control, a power rear cargo door, lane departure warning, rear wipers, and power windows. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Volkswagen ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.